Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are and the time you're watching this video. Welcome back again, this Prowalu, and today guys, bado tunaenda explore the Indian Ocean. But today, guess what? We are going to swim. We are going for swimming. For Ugandans, they say swimming. Hey, man. And for the Swahili people, wanasema kuswim. Is it really kuswim ama kuogelea? Actually, yes. This side of Mombasa, they say kuogelea. Kuogelea means swimming. We are already here on the boat, and we are heading to the deeper side of the ocean. Just to say like what gonna happen, right? Let's go and check out like. So here the activity started, but now the thing is I don't know how to swim. So what happened is I was given a floater so that I don't sink, and the floater, by the way, is as you can see, the floater has a rope and this is the activity we call, it's called zero grazing, in that if you don't know how to swim, you are not allowed to go far away, because you know they need to look after you. They just need like to be keen with you so that you cannot sink, right? So that is how the sea looks like, and that's how part of the enjoyment that I was actually experiencing at the coastal region of Kenya. You know, other people were coming to join me, so we were two, and it became so fun. So many people joined me, and it was like a lot of fun. But actually, again, it started raining while I was in there. All right, yeah. So but at the end of the day, I had like a good experience, just like the one I had the same Indian Ocean, but on the Zanzibar side. Yeah, so from here where I'm pointing over there is where we are actually staying, but where you can see over there where I'm zooming is the pirate beach side, and on this other side you can see there is a lot of waves, like big waves. So the other side that I'm zooming over there, that's where it's deep, and you are actually not allowed to go and swim over there because it's more dangerous. But as you can see, the boats are so many, people are so many here. They are enjoying life. Their vacation is like they are really enjoying. And I would also advise any other person who would want to have a very good either staycation or vacation to join or come over to the coastal part of Kenya for enjoyment. So at this point, we were moving to another area where we experienced to see some other starfish. So let's keep watching. Let's go and see how the starfish looks like. But at this time I was feeling like so bad because in the process of swimming I actually accidentally drank the Indian Ocean's water. I tell you, it is really salty, like it has excess salt, and when you drink it, like everything changes. You start feeling like a flu or something. So let's keep going and see like what are we gonna see there ahead. This is what we call the starfish. It is actually something that is rigid. When you touch it, it's actually hard. I thought it's something soft. No, no, no. It's really, really, really hard. And I don't know how they move. I don't know whether they normally move. Yeah, there is also these other kind of sea animals that I think I forgot the name that I was told. So it was time myself to experience the thing, like touch it and see how it goes. And there we go, head to touch it, like just have a view of how it looks like with some other people around, just enjoying to see the starfish. The coastal region of Kenya. Remember this Bamburi, Mombasa, Kenya. Still on a staycation here, so I'll be showing you what next. Let's keep going. Let me hope you have enjoyed the video as I had fun in the coastal region of Kenya. And remember, now here we are finalizing the video. We had fun throughout the day, so we are going back. Thanks so much for watching. Consider subscribing if you are new, and if you are a returning subscriber, you are the best. Thank you. Bye bye.